Stop washing your food like this. You are removing flavor. It feels clean and safe, but it damages taste more than you think. Most home cooks rinse everything automatically, without understanding what happens next. They believe more water means better results, which is not always true. Flavor is not just seasoning, it is structure and surface chemistry. When you rinse at the wrong moment, you interrupt that structure. Take pasta for example. Rinsing after boiling removes surface starch. That starch is what helps sauce cling properly, creating full flavor. Without it, the sauce slides off, leaving bland noodles underneath. The dish looks correct, but tastes weak and disconnected. Now think about mushrooms. Many people wash them under running water. Mushrooms absorb moisture quickly, which affects browning later. Wet surfaces do not caramelize properly, they steam instead. And steaming blocks the deep flavors you actually want. Some people even rinse cooked meat, trying to remove excess fat. What they remove instead is concentrated flavor on the surface. That outer layer contains browned compounds, built during cooking. Water dissolves and washes part of that away immediately. Rice is another misunderstood ingredient in home kitchens. Rinsing rice before cooking is correct, but timing matters. Over-rinsing removes too much surface starch, affecting final texture. Under-rinsing can create guminess and uneven cooking. This is not about never washing food, it is about intention. Professional kitchens treat water as a controlled tool. They rinse with purpose, not habit or fear. They understand when moisture helps and when it destroys flavor. Water cools surfaces instantly, which impacts heat interaction. Lower surface heat means weaker browning reactions. Weaker browning means fewer complex flavor compounds forming. And fewer compounds mean flatter tasting dishes. Many mistakes in cooking happen after the main steps. Washing at the wrong moment is one of them. If something already built flavor on the surface, protect it. If something needs starch for binding, keep it intact. Flavor is built in layers, and layers can be washed away. That is why small habits create big differences. Before you rinse automatically, pause and think. Ask what that water will change in structure and heat. Once you understand this interaction, results become predictable. You stop guessing and start controlling outcomes. Cooking improves when actions become intentional. Even something simple like rinsing can transform the final dish. Stop removing flavor without realizing it. Start using water with purpose, not routine.